Pangi Bhadoria, and I'm the spokesperson for MSI India. I look after the PR and marketing for India. And today is an amazing day. We're really honored and delighted that we'll be launching our 50 series of laptops. So definitely Hyderabad is one of the key markets. So when I talk about markets, we are really aggressive on channels this year. We have now completed somewhere around 50 stores in India.
My name is Raghu Sanjeev. I was, I guess, one of the first ones to buy the Titan North Mid Edition laptop. Vishal Peripherals did a fantastic job.
We are exclusive MSI store partner also in Hyderabad, and we are happy that we are able to launch all new series of laptops with MSI. Today we are happy to launch 5050 series of laptop, and the first 5090 series of laptop of Dragon Edition was also sold by us. So all these are NVIDIA series of laptop which we have been launching. Now about Vishal Peripherals and Vishal Computech, we have number of showrooms here. You can see all our showrooms have facility of live demo.
Which is the best laptop out there? MSI!